All right, so what's going on, guys? Today I got a couple things I have to run, so I have to run some quick errands right now. I have to pretty much, my quad lock mount just came in. I think that's what it's called, quad lock. Had a lot of research on it, and it has to have a nut here, so I have to take off, of course, this actual, I guess they call it a nut too, but it doesn't have a hole in the middle. So I have to get an actual nut that you can just screw on here, and it'll leave that hole that's right there. That way I can mount my quad lock in there. And of course I need to get my case that's coming in as well with the quad lock attachment to it. So it's gonna be awesome. But today I'm just gonna go get a haircut real quick. Maybe you can come and see what I do and how it's done there. Meet my barber and do today. Oh, gotta go pick up some vinyl, and of course the nut that I was talking about for the actual steering column there. Of course, I only have a certain amount of space here in my garage to put this bike in. Gotta fix the mirrors though. Every time I have to fold the mirrors to go into the garage. Past the tire shop, it just smells like crazy tire, like rubber, like brand new rubber. It smells pretty good, I guess. What's up, Cook? Yeah, bro. Ya sabes. Yeah, no, yeah. I just got it for traveling around, dude.
See?
Yeah, commute. That's what they call it. Yeah.
This is the first time que llegan two guys in una moto. Bueno, two guys in moto.
Oh yeah, this who also came? Oh, is over here? Oh, what's up, bro?
Pero me cuenta que.
Oh yeah, nice.
I was just telling you, güey, que como llegó la moto, I was gonna be like, hey, ¿qué onda, Drew? Y todos los mirados, like, a la verga, that's not right, güey.
Alright, George. Thanks, man. Alright, successful. Got the haircut done. Now we gotta continue our journey. Can't see this. Shop down the street. I've been going to this one because there's two HTV stores here. So this is the HTV store where I get some of my shirts and stuff like that to be able to make some shirts. But that one over there is way cheaper for some reason, so I always go to that one. It's a blue one. You see the blue building over there? Okay, well this one is the... So if you guys looking for an HTV store here in McAllen, that's the one right there. That's the good one. All we need is white vinyl. Shouldn't be too expensive.
Now that I see that, I'm like, yeah, I kind of like that darker red.
Thank you. $4.25 each. I mean $4.25. And you get like all this. Not bad. You have many colors, guys. Alright, I didn't get to record, so yeah, that kind of sucks. Alright, let's go. Alright, off to the boat place, and then we go back home, create the vinyl for the person that wanted it. We have to take off this actual nut here and replace it with one with a hole in the middle. Yeah, there it is. So let's go get it. How you doing, guys? Buenas. Can I get a bolt? I mean a nut like this, pero que tenga un agujero en el medio, a little hole.
¿Quieres una tuerca?
Una tuerca, pero así como...
Con esta rosca.
Con esta rosca, ya. Yeah.
Realmente no la voy a tener.
No?
No, es demasiado fina.
You have to special order those, or?
Is it for a bike? Or?
Yeah, it's for my motorcycle. It's because the reason why I need to put that nut on there, that way I can mount my cell phone in there, because it has to have a hole in the middle.
Esta está demasiado fina. No,
yeah, it's a metric
extra fina.
You might try maybe Napa. See if they have anything.
Napa? And where's Napa? Aquí down the street?
Right down
Oh.
this way. You know where the Flamingo Bowl is?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right across it.
Right across it? Okay. Alrighty. Thank you, man. Alright, so I really thought they would have it here, but I guess they did not. We're gonna have to drive to Napa. That's what he said. Let's try Napa. It's down the street right here. So let's put that back on. Okay. There it is. Just a smell. Let's try Napa. Has that nut. Yeah, man, I really thought they would have it here. Where's the entrance here? Is the entrance over here? Alright, let's try our luck here. Hopefully they have it. I'm gonna have to do the repeat process of taking off the bolt real quick, but I will skip that. Alright, let's go into Napa here. Guys,
What's going on, sir?
can I don't know if you guys carry this, but I need a bolt, I mean a nut that has this missing, basically just the actual
Just the nut by itself?
Yes, I'll bring it back right now. It's just all right, guys, so I didn't get to film the cutting process, but I did it in that little table over there with my grinder, and I was able to cut the actual nut nipple, I guess you want to call it, off. As you can see, I grinded it off a little bit there, and it went in perfect. And then that way we can put that on there. And then tying this up, back up, and it fits perfect. But from my understanding, you remove the actual bolt that goes right there on holding those two pieces together, and then you pop it in here. There, but you have to remove this little cap right here. See if I can get it off with one finger. And it's coming off. All right, and with this removed, it lets you tighten it through that little bolt right there. All right, guys, so I just had to align it a little bit and I got it solid in there, so that's awesome. I'm just gonna wait on my Amazon package to arrive with the quad lock case that I got for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and we should be good to go. So far, the finished product, quad lock installed. Had to do some modifications, and of course I had to grind it off out of the original one, and then I was able to fit the quad lock. But that's the only way you're gonna be able to fit the quad lock. Yes, I ended up grinding it off. This is the original part that comes on top. I don't know why they put this, and I'm guessing it's because to protect from weather and rain going into the actual steering column and damaging and rusting and stuff like that. So I'm guessing that's why, but since I have the quad lock in place, it should be good to go. Thank you guys again for watching. I should be updating you guys more on the restaurant. I'm gonna get a restaurant soon, so that's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna do some vlogs around there. I'm gonna see if I can edit all the footage by today and post it tonight. See you guys.